Okay, so today we are going to learn about more about the PowerPoints, and in this way, we are going to learn about how to insert a picture in a presentation. So you can see this is the home tab. After this home tab, we have this insert tab. Okay, and in this insert tab, you can see we have picture option over here. When I click over here, then I will get this dialog box. Okay, so from this dialog box, is this evening, Chaheti? Okay, so in this, from this dialog box, we have to choose the picture where it is, where we have saved that particular picture. Like I'm just taking any picture from here. I'm taking this one. Okay, then we just click on the insert tab. When we click over here, you can see we get this picture on our screen. We can adjust the size. Okay, how much we want to we want to uh, how much size we want from this of this particular picture actually. And if I want to crop this picture, I can go with this option. See, this is written over here, crop picture. This is little bit advanced. I don't think कि आपके अभी ये सारी चीजें हैं, but I'm just telling it because I just want that you people can make a simple presentation after finishing this chapter. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, if you want to just crop this picture, you can crop with this option over here. Okay, then you can see this is the picture, and you can move, you can paste it wherever you want to paste it. Okay, so in this way we can enter or we can insert the picture. Okay, so only three steps are there. First, you need to click on the insert button. See, I'm repeating how to insert a picture. First, you need to click on the insert button. Okay. Okay. So first you need to insert, click on the insert button. Then you will get this option, pictures. After clicking on this, you will get this kind of dialog box. From here, wherever your picture is, you can just go on that particular folder and pictures folder. Where it is, you can just choose the path of that particular picture and then open that folder where you have your picture. Just click over there and just insert. Okay, click on the insert button. Then you will get this particular picture. Okay, if you want to crop it out, then you need to understand that when you select that picture, then only these this format tab will available. Okay, if I'm not selecting this one, मैंने कहीं और कर रखा है अगर select या मेरा cursor कहीं और है, then I can't see that particular option, that is the format option. Okay, so first I need to select that particular picture, then I can see the format option over here. Okay, format tab over here, and in this format tab we have this crop option. Okay, see, in the format tab we have this crop option. Okay, so in this way we can just enter, we can just insert the picture and we can crop it up. There are so many things over here. You can see picture shape, we can change picture border, we can change, effects are also there. If you want to apply them, then you can apply, but this is not in our syllabus. That's why I'm not going to teach you कि आपको कैसे करना है या क्या करना है, because other people, other student may get confused about this. Okay, so we have in our syllabus just to insert a picture. These are the designs, or these are the options you can use by your side, and just go ahead, use them out, so that you will get a attractive presentation. Okay, so after this we have next option. Next topic is about the inserting picture from clip art. If we don't have any picture in our computer, then we can add picture from clip art also. For that, I just want to take new slide. I told you, I'm using the shortcut key, that is the control and M button. I'm pressing control from one hand and pressing M, capital M or small m, anything from the keyboard, and then we will get this new slide. Okay, so in this, First we need to click again. When we want to insert anything, we need to click on the insert button. Okay, insert tab. In this we get, after the picture we get this clip art option. When we click on that, we will get this kind of uh, we can say dialog box at the right side. Okay, so in this I can just search out some topic which we want to like that kind of thing, means which kind of picture I want. Like I have written school over here, so I can get so many pictures about the school. Okay, I just click over here and then I will get that particular picture on the other side. Okay, click over here and you will get the picture at the other side. Okay, the same things are there. When we click on that particular picture, then only we'll get this format tag, and we can crop it this picture also. We can apply some border shape and effects also on that particular picture. But first we need to click, or we need to select that particular picture. If we don't select any picture, we will not get anything. Okay, so after this, we will discuss about the, so clip art. From the clip art, we will add the picture. Now working with text, how to modify the font and how to, like in the home tab, we have so many options for that. So first I need to just open new slide. Okay, in this we are going to write the text. Anything we can write, presentation. Now, how to apply the modification? If we want to apply any modification on the text, whatever we have written on the slide, first we need to select that particular text. Okay, so we have selected this one like this way. We have selected. Now we'll move with on this group. Basically, this group is called the font group. So in this group, we have font family. So I can change out font family from here. Like I want this family. I can change out the size. Okay. So we can change it out from here. If you want to grow the size, I can grow from here. If I want to shrink, means आपको छोटा करना है size, then you can go with this option also. Okay. And then we'll have bold, italic, underline, like we have in all in Word, also in Excel also we have the same option we have over here in the font group. Okay, so this kind of formatting we can apply on the text. Okay, now if I want to delete this text, what we need to do? First, we can delete it in two ways. Like I can make backspace. Okay, हम उसको backspace करके erase कर सकते हैं, और we can do one more thing. We can just select that particular text and just click on the, or the, we can just press the delete key from the keyboard. Okay, so in this way we can add the text, we can modify the text. Modify means we can apply the formatting, उसको कैसे attractive बनाना है, so we can apply the formatting also. And then we can just delete it by selecting it first and then press the delete button from the keyboard. Is that clear? I think it is clear. So we'll move forward little bit. Now copying and cutting the and pasting text. The same way we are doing this in the Word also. So we'll apply, we'll go with that particular, yeah, from the same way as we have done in the Word and the Excel also. We are going to do it here also. How to? First you need to, this is my first sentence. Okay, so this is our first sentence. Basically, if I want to copy this particular sentence, okay, if you want to copy any text in any software, like in Word or in Excel, in PowerPoint, in any software, if you want to select, if you want to copy some any text, then first you need to select that particular text. Okay, first you need to select, means how to select it. We know from the cursor, and from the mouse we can select that particular text. Okay, after selecting this one, we'll get the options over here. Okay, so this is the option for copying the data. This is the option for cut the data. If we want to cut, means kya hota hai? If we want to just copy that particular data, then what we'll get, this is our new slide. I'm going to copy this content from here, so I'm going to select this particular uh, text from here, then click on the copy, then we'll move for the next from the on the next slide and just paste it out over here. From this point we can just paste it out, but when we move again to the previous slide, we get that text over here again. Okay, so this means we are going to just copy that particular text, and we are not removing it from the backslide. Okay, now if I'm going to cut it out from here, like I have chosen the very this word sentence from here, and I'm going to cut it out. Okay, अगर मैंने यहाँ से कट किया है, so means क्या होगा, वो यहाँ से delete हो जाएगा. Then where I'm pasting it, it will come over there only. Okay, if I paste it over here, then it will come over here. Okay, then it is deleted from the previous slide. So this is the difference between the copy and cut. Okay, in the copy option, we'll just copy that particular word or sentence, whatever the text is, and we just paste it at another place where we want to paste it. Okay, but this will not delete the previous the content from the previous place. Okay, जहाँ हमारी previously वो दिख रहा था हमें, वहां से वो उसको delete नहीं करता है, but in the cut option we get deleted that particular sentence. Okay, so in this way we can just cut, copy and paste of that particular text. And after this we have moving the text. How to move the text? Just click, select the particular text and just move it out from here. How we can do this? Just, you can see I have selected this one. Now you can see मैंने क्या किया है, just I'm selecting this one. Now I'm pressing my left mouse button and moving the cursor. Okay, if I want to place it over here, see, you can see rectangle boxes there with my cursor, so I can paste it over here. This means I'm moving something. Okay, so in this way, when I release my left mouse button, then I will get that particular text over there. Okay, that means we are moving that particular text. If I want to make it like I want to paste it again, where from where I've moved this particular text. So first I need to first I need to click on the left mouse button, then we'll move the cursor. Okay, जैसे ही मैं left mouse button selected text के ऊपर से लेके आती हूँ, then you can see rectangle box is coming with my cursor. That means I'm moving some data, and I will just release the left mouse button, then I will get that particular text. Is that clear? Okay, I think this much is done from my side, because we have 2-3 important topics again more. So I just want to teach you people this chapter in the 3 parts. That's why I think we have done our, just wait. Okay,